Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Brawl Stars on your PC without using an emulator. Since Brawl Stars is designed exclusively for mobile devices, a direct PC version doesn't exist. We'll explore two main workarounds: screen mirroring your phone or tablet to your computer, and leveraging cloud gaming platforms. Both methods allow you to enjoy the game on a larger screen, but they come with their own set of considerations and limitations. Screen mirroring involves projecting your phone or tablet's display onto your computer monitor. You can use features like Windows Connect app or various third-party software. While your game appears on the larger screen, you'll typically still control it using your mobile device. Some advanced mirroring tools offer basic keyboard and mouse mapping, but this can introduce noticeable input delay, making fast-paced games like Brawl Stars challenging to play optimally. Cloud gaming offers another avenue, where the game runs on powerful remote servers and is streamed to your PC. This means your computer doesn't need to process the game directly, potentially offering a smoother experience than mirroring. However, finding a cloud gaming service that specifically hosts Brawl Stars or allows you to stream your own mobile device can be challenging. These services often require a monthly subscription and a very stable, high-speed internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, to minimize latency. It's crucial to understand that playing Brawl Stars on PC without an emulator involves workarounds, not a native solution. Both screen mirroring and cloud gaming introduce compromises, particularly concerning input responsiveness and visual quality. For the smoothest experience, a very strong and stable internet connection is paramount, especially for cloud gaming. If these methods don't provide the fluid gameplay you desire, exploring a well-optimized Android emulator remains the most reliable option for a near-native experience on your personal computer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.